Hello, today we are going to be doing the Elie Chain Walk in Scotland. Big chain. Last time I was here there was water. Yeah, this is the...
I think this is the bit that you walked to. You walked around.
Oh, now we got a smaller chain.
You walked around here.
When was the chain walk made?
Oh, a long time ago, but they replaced it all.
Like originally, was it?
I think you get it on the website, maybe
100?
But look, this is a much newer chain, this is all redone.
Yeah, I can tell because I think 100-year chain would look worse than this.
It's a little bit taller than
Yeah, these bits are rusty. No, it's because you jumped and the chain suddenly moved. Yeah.
Very good.
What's that? That's the photograph.
I'm gonna go this way, I think. Okay. Okay.
If you do slip, land feet first. Yeah, and bend your knees. It's better than landing head first.
Now, the first thing to think about is if you slip, try grab something. No, don't instantly just give up and try land on your... Then you might not have broken legs and at the worst a couple of scrapes. Now, yeah, there's a chain here, chain there, and I think that's it. There might be more, but that...
It goes on for half a kilometre.
The next one's either that way or that way. I don't know which. I think it's here. Here you go first. This is the steep one I was talking about. What? You don't have to put your... I'm not. My bum's not touching. Oh, too late for me. I'm sliding down on my feet. My bum was not touching. Yeah, there's more.
That's one of the bits that I think you jump off.
I don't remember the last time jumping off there, but maybe the time before we did. The Elie Chain Walk is a great day out, and you don't need any climbing skill to do it, so it's okay for beginners. Just watch out on the rocks if it's wet, and remember that bits depend on the tide. And don't fall, remember that there are no safety nets to catch you. If you like my video, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this, or do you prefer the gaming videos. Yeah, I see the other chain all across there, so we'll get a bit of a walk to break it up. Okay. Oh, that's a cool rock pool down there. You've got to come see it. It's like a crater. Whoa, that's so cool. Look at this random crater with a rock pool in it. And it's quite deep. It's like that deep.
See like the moss on that end? There's a little thing on the end of it. It's like a little, it looks like a little shrimp type thing.
Oh, it might be. There's probably a whole wee ecosystem in there.
I think it's because it's completely trapped. There's no way of it getting out.
I always like round stones. It's a lot more cool seeing a ton of stones that look like the same than a bunch of different ones. Even especially when they're all like the same color. Oh yeah. Well, what's he doing? He's probably trying to look cool for the video. Look at all these rocks. It's like a sea of them. Uh-oh. Yeah. Oh wait, look at there. It's like a mini cave. I can't see it from here, but okay, you can get down at this bit. Yeah. Yeah, he is trying to impress people. What? How do you know? I wasn't thinking of posting it, but because he doesn't want it. Yeah. Oh, slippy. Good. Okay. Oh, there's two steep ones then, because the other steep one there's chains near. Oh wow. When you're done, just wait. So it starts like the small chain and then the bigger chain. I prefer the bigger chains because they're easier to. Where'd I go next? Is that another?
The next one's past the other side of the hook.
Okay, the left.
That hook.
The left.
Yeah, the left hook. Right.
Is it right or left?
Right, down, that one down.
Okay, yeah, I'm good. Actually,
There's one here.
I don't know if I prefer the small or big chain.
And then there's one there.
Okay, now, because I know there's at least 3 more, because those are the 3 that we saw the other time, but we've not done them today.
There's like a cove type bit over there.
Yeah, as cool as it would be to jump that, it looks slippy. I don't think he did it. Not even Connor jumped it. Connor, did you jump that bit? Yeah. I think there's 1 there, 1 the other side, 1 going down, and 1 going up. Feels like, yep, it's raining. If you look on the rocks, you can see it's loads. Yep.